In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to Quora. If you want to attach another email address to your Quora account, the process is very quick and straightforward. Adding a secondary email can be useful if you want an extra recovery option, if you're organizing personal and work accounts, or if you simply prefer receiving account-related communication at a different address. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can get it done without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your Quora account. Once you're on the Quora homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you can access several account options and personal settings. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account, where Quora lets you manage things like login details, notifications, and connected information. If you don't see the exact option right away, just give the page a moment to fully load. Once you are on the settings page, look for the option that says Add Another Email Address and click it. This is the section Quora uses for linking additional email addresses to your account. It's helpful to double check that you're in the email section before moving forward, especially if there are multiple account settings visible on the page. After that, type the email address you want to add into the available field. Take a second to make sure it's entered correctly, since even a small typo can prevent you from receiving any confirmation messages or account notifications. It's always a good idea to use an email address you can access right away, because some platforms may ask you to verify it after adding it. When the email address is entered, click on Add Email. That submits the new address to your Quora account settings. In many cases, Quora may send a verification email to confirm that the address belongs to you, so be sure to check your inbox if prompted. If you don't see the message, you may also want to check your spam or junk folder. And that's it. That's how to add an email to Quora. As a final tip, after adding the new address, review your settings to make sure everything looks correct and that the email appears in your account the way you expect. If this video helped you, you can follow the same general process anytime you want to manage additional login or contact details inside your Quora account.